What the fuck? This is the best thing ever, okay? Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. So right now we're gonna be on our way to Muffler Tech, a muffler shop right here close to my house. They do really good work. So hopefully we can fix my rattle today, because you guys know I took off my U-clamp to try to stop the rattle, but it was still rattling a little bit and I was getting annoyed, and now I took it off again and it's super annoying. See if you guys can hear it. I'm pretty sure the camera can pick this up. I don't know if you... So the issue here is the white pipe. It like sits right here almost in the middle. As it goes out into one, as the white pipe makes itself to one pipe, it's actually hitting against the W frame. You have a black frame in the front and then one in the back that goes kind of under, kind of support the exhaust. And that just makes it rattle so much, man. I mean, at this point I don't know what to do. I do not want to weld anything because I gotta take my exhaust once in a while, and I do not need a freaking saw or cut anything off. So I'm gonna go over to Muffler Tech, see if they got any solutions. Hopefully they don't charge me an arm and a leg. But yeah, let's go check it out. And it sucks because when you're going to like a car meet and you're going super low in speed and RPMs, that's when it rattles the most. I don't know if you guys can hear it now. Look, I'm going in first gear like 5 miles per hour. See, as soon as I accelerate, it stops, and then when I decelerate, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's super loud in here with that rattle. You can hear it in the outside way more than you can hear in the inside, man. Like on the outside, it really sounds like the car is braking. Like maybe you just blew the tranny and freaking one of the gears is wrong. Like it just sounds super bad, man. And it's about time we fix it. We give you guys a little POV with this big ass camera of how it sounds like here. Gas yesterday too. What the hell? But anyways guys, to Muffler Tech I've already gone twice. When I first got my G35, I went there because I wanted a muffler delete. I wanted the car to be a little louder, so I went with them. They did a really nice clean job. I forgot how much they charged me. I think they charged me like 150 or 200, something like that. And then I went again when that stupid law came out, bro, and my dumbass was just like so scared. Like I was just so scared, bro. I was like, man, dude, I don't want them to stop me. I don't want $1,000 fine and shit like that. My car was like completely stock, and like it looked completely stock too. I just had a muffler delete, so I went back to muffler delete to get my muffler back on. That shit was like $400, bro, to buy the MagnaFlow muffler. I got a MagnaFlow, bro. And I don't even know what the fuck I did with that. That's a pretty good muffler, man. Like, and I went with a different guy to get a muffler delete because I was just like, fuck, I'm not gonna go to Muffler Tech again. Like, that shit got me haunted. Kid you not, guys, look. It's 7:59, they open at 8. And there's hella people already here. One guy leaving. Oh, and they got an NSX, bro, and a Type R. What? Man, that's how you know business is booming. So we're gonna go ahead, get out, put our mask on, and see how much they charge us, or if they can fix it. Alright guys, so basically what's going on with my car in the back, the Z1 pipe was hitting in 3 different spots. So the cross member, it was hitting the freaking subframe where the bushing, where the differential's at, and it was almost or closely hitting the sway bars. So he basically cutting the whole thing. So we're getting rid of that extension you can buy at Z1, we're getting rid of the extension, and he's making just a one custom big pipe from where that muffler's at all the way up to the white pipe, just one single pipe, and he's like bending it along the way so it doesn't hit all those 3 points. So I think it's around $200, which is completely fine. You just think of it as a pipe, $200 plus all the labor and custom fit. It's fine. Plus he said that my G35 had exhaust leaks as well, so with that one pipe that he's gonna weld in, we can get rid of those boost leaks, those freaking exhaust leaks, and you know, get this thing A1 before the tune on July 31st. We still gotta sign up though. It was hitting right there, and it was close to hitting the sway bar and the cross member over there, of course. It's close right here. I need to do something right here though. It's still hitting? Yeah. It's been so bad.
I'm gonna try to get some channel locks and bend it down.
Bend it down, yeah, that's all. We got rid of the extension. We had an extension that Z1 sells here, so we completely got rid of that. We still kept the bong right here because we're gonna be putting an AFR gauge right here, so we're gonna be needing this. But he's gonna weld that, and it's gonna be a straight pipe. We gotta still get clearance on this, so we gotta find a way to clear this, and then it should just go straight into that. I think he fixed that tip a little bit as well. I mean, for that it's a little bit too late because I already burnt the fuck out of my bumper. But besides that, I mean, it's all good. So as you guys saw on that clip, the exhaust was still hitting on the cross member, whatever, even after all the freaking angles and stuff like that. So at the end, he had to like freaking bring the cross member down a little bit, like he bent it down a little bit. And in order for the exhaust to stay up where it needs to be, in order to not hit any points, he installed 2 extra hangers. So we have 3 total hangers holding up this stupid exhaust. Hopefully I never have to take that thing off for whatever reason, because I am not trying to take out the 3 damn motherfucking hangers. But anyways, it has 3 hangers, and that holds up the exhaust to the point where it's not hitting anything. It's holding it up sturdy, and that fixed the issues. All right, y'all, it's all done. Hopefully there's no rattle. It's all done. Perfectly fine. I think it's normal. Sounds good. All right, y'all, we're all done. I think there's no more rattle, dude. I was listening from the outside. No rattle at all, which is freaking awesome. So the final charge was $200 flat, which is not bad. It includes the piping. We avoided some exhaust leaks, and we got rid of the rattle. It's a win in my books, and it was, you know, well done. So honestly, I think it's a W in the books. Freaking awesome. Get rid of this rattle. Man, I hated that rattle. So let's go ahead and start the car, see if we hear anything. Oh, I missed that, bro. No rattle. What the fuck? This is the best thing ever, okay? This is so awesome, bro. I love this. So look, we're in first gear. We're gonna go in first gear real quick. Look, even just inching, it would rattle, right? Because the vibrations, we're in first gear. Absolutely no rattle, dude. I kind of missed that, bro. Once you get the rattle and you've been living with it for like a whole year, bro, and then you finally hear no rattle yet, this is so much more enjoyable, dude. So much more enjoyable. Now I don't gotta be embarrassed of showing up to car meets and having that whole rattle, man. Literally, when I go to car meets, I would try to keep it in first gear, but high up in the, like, try to gas it a little bit or keep it in neutral so it wouldn't rattle, man. I was really embarrassed, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Right now, the only thing I hear is the hiss, but that's nothing that I think that has to do with the white pipe, the way it's structured from Z1. I think that's a different problem, but I mean, it doesn't sound bad. It's just a hiss. It's like a, you know, it's not a like a damn rattle. So I mean, I don't really mind that. It sounds kind of good, kind of I mean, it's up to you. But hey guys, so I'm currently on the freeway, and another thing I'm noticing right now, as I freaking kind of gassed it here on the freeway, the car felt like it had a little bit more of a punch. Before I gassed it and you could feel kind of like the air pushing through. Honestly, I think those were all the exhaust leaks. Cause now, dude, it feels like, oh shit, there was a bump on the freeway. Oh my god. Cause, man, dude, I swear these guys swear they're fixing the road, but they make it worse. Anyways, oh, another one. Hold up. Oh my god, bro, another one. Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm gonna get in the carpool and fuck these trying to wanna-be fixed roads. Holy crap, those are horrible. Yeah, so now I punched the car. Oh my god. Now I punched the car and it feels like there's pressure in the exhaust, like I'm actually going instead of just having air push through. So that's freaking awesome, bro. Like, this feels so much better, bro. 1,000 times better. But check out this Maxima. Guys, I couldn't grab my GoPro, but we got invited to a birthday party. Here's a little clip.
Yo, this is fucking Manning.
You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube. Say hi to
Hi, YouTube.
I know a lot of you guys mentioned to me that you guys also have the Rattle. I mean, at this point, it's just going under your car, checking what it's hitting, and see if you can possibly fix it. If not, I mean, your only solution is bending the pipe. So, I mean, besides that, I mean, it is what it is. So, I'll catch you guys next video. I just got my carbon fiber steering wheel, which I'm super excited to install. So, I'll catch you guys next video with that install. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.
Bye.